Namaste and welcome back to Meals and Moves. I'm Shweta. And today I'm going to show you a very simple but effective asana, Vrikshasana, also known as tree pose. Now it is so simple that you can practice it anytime, anywhere, even at work. Now, this posture has got many benefits. It improves your concentration, your posture gets better, curbs your anxiety and stress, and this posture is the most wonderful way to slow down when your life is overwhelming. Tree pose involves balancing on one foot. So as a beginner, you can be a little bouncy, but that's where my tips will help you to stay more focused and balanced. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to Meals and Moves. Let's get into Vrikshasana. Stand nice and tall on your yoga mat. Open up your chest, open up your shoulders, lengthen your spine. And now shift your body weight onto your left foot. Now, since we are practicing Vrikshasana, I want you to imagine yourself as a tree. Now think your left foot is getting through your yoga mat into the earth. Imagine roots are growing from the bottom of your left foot deep into the earth. Basically, all you're doing is creating a nice and strong foundation for your tree to grow. Now lift your right leg up and grab the right knee from your hands. Now push your right knee with your hand towards the side as if you open a gate. Now with the help of your hand, place the right heel into your left inner thigh as close to pelvic as possible. Now you're not just placing your heel into your inner thigh, but you are actually forcing it into the thigh, and there is equal pressure from your thigh towards your heel. So both are forcing each other, which will help you stay more balanced. Tip number 2 here is to engage your core. The moment you engage your core, you have more balance immediately. And third and most important thing is to fix your gaze at one unmoving object in front of you. If you follow all the 3 steps, you will definitely have more balance. Now take your hands and bring it at the center of your heart. Breathe normally. Now with inhalation, take your hands all the way up as if the branches are growing from your tree. Open up your chest, open up your shoulders, you're nice and tall, breathing. Now you can stay here or you can come in a prayer position. Stretch yourself a little bit more. Staying here for a few breaths. Now with the exhalation, bring your hands back to the center of your heart. Now release your leg and bring it back to the center, and then place it back onto the yoga mat and relax. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.